gold extraction process by flotation, or pretreatment and crushing. The newly mined gold ore is relatively strong, and it needs to be crushed coarsely, medium and finely in jaw crushers, cone crushers and other equipment to gradually reduce the ore particle size, generally crushed to about 20 to 50 millimeters to create conditions for subsequent grinding. Grinding, the crushed ore enters the ball mill or rod mill for grinding. During the grinding process, the ore and the steel balls or steel rods collide and grind each other and are ground to a suitable particle size. The grinding fineness is usually required to reach minus 0.074 millimeters, and the particle size accounts for 60% to 90%, so that the gold mineral is fully dissociated and the flotation agent is easy to contact with the surface of the gold mineral. Pulping and dosing. Pulping. The ground slurry is transported to the slurry tank to adjust the slurry concentration. Generally, the slurry concentration is controlled between 25% and 45%. The appropriate slurry concentration helps the flotation agent to be evenly dispersed and ensures the effective contact between bubbles and mineral particles during the flotation process. Adding adjusters. Add adjusters according to the properties of the ore to adjust the pH value of the pulp. For example, lime is often added to sulfide gold ores to adjust the pH value of the pulp to 8 to 11, inhibiting the flotation activity of gangue minerals and enhancing the effect of gold minerals and collectors. Adding collectors. Collectors can selectively adsorb on the surface of gold minerals to make their surfaces hydrophobic. Different types of gold ores may require different collectors. For example, xanthate is suitable for sulfide gold ores and can react chemically with metal ions on the surface of gold minerals to form a hydrophobic film. Adding foaming agents. Finally, add a frother. The frother can reduce the surface tension of water and promote the formation of a large number of stable and uniform small bubbles in the slurry, providing a carrier for the attachment of gold minerals. Flotation separation. Rough selection. The slurry after drug addition is sent to the roughing tank. Through stirring and aeration, the gold minerals in the slurry are attached to the bubbles and float to the surface of the slurry to form a foam layer. The foam layer is scraped off to obtain the roughing concentrate. At this time, the gold content in the roughing concentrate is initially enriched, but it still contains a lot of impurities. Selection. The roughing gold ore is selected multiple times to further improve the grade of the gold concentrate. During the selection process, a small amount of collector and frother can be added as needed to strengthen the floating of gold minerals and inhibit the floating of impurity minerals. After 2 to 5 selections, the grade of gold ore can reach a higher level. Scavenging selection. The tailings after roughing are sent to the scavenging tank. By adding an appropriate amount of reagents and aeration stirring, the gold minerals remaining in the tailings are recovered as much as possible to improve the gold recovery rate. The foam product obtained by scavenging is returned to the roughing or selection operation to further recover gold.